before the new year arrives? Do you also want to make some 2026 photo editing like this? In this video, I'm going to share a super easy way to turn your photos into Happy New Year style like these. So, without further delay, let's jump right in. To create these cool effects, you don't need to be a pro. We're using 4D file repair for this, which is the easiest way to create New Year themed photos in no time. No complex prompts required. To celebrate the upcoming New Year, we're offering a 3-day free trial for everyone. You can download it using the link below to get started. Once installed, just navigate to AI Enhancer and select AI Image Style Transfer. Here are the most viral and trending templates for you to play around with. Simply find the New Year celebration category, tap Try this style, and import any photo you want to transform. No need for complicated prompts, just hit generate. And within seconds, you'll have a festive image ready to share. But we're not stopping there. If you want to take your image to the next level, you can save it and enhance it further with 4D. Simply choose Photo Enhance, import your image, and hit Enhance. You'll get a polished, high-quality result in no time. Now that you've seen the New Year celebration template, explore options like Dreamy Snowland, Christmas Magic, and Pixar-style pets. And if you're looking to generate Gemini-style images, we've got you covered. We also provide some popular prompts in the comments section, so you can grab them and get started right away.